Top 5 Nail Art Designs for Summer 2023. Get ready to discover the top 5 nail designs for summer 2023, as recommended by nail artists and experts. These trend-setting styles are sure to elevate your nail game and make a statement this season. So, let's dive into the world of nail art and explore the must-try designs. Iridescent Chrome Nails. Our first standout design is the mesmerizing iridescent chrome nails. This trend comes straight from nail artist Miki Higuchi, who suggests using an iridescent pearly chrome powder, with flashes of pink, blue, and purple. Next up, we have a modern take on the classic French manicure. Nail artist Jin Soon Choi recommends incorporating pastel French tips into your summer nail routine. Rather than covering the entire nail bed with pastel colors, Choi suggests painting a dainty French line over a sheer, neutral nail polish. It's a subtle and elegant twist that adds sophistication to your overall look. Prepare to embrace the vibrant and trendy cyber nail trend. Inspired by the iconic Jean-Paul Gaultier dress, nail artist Miki Higuchi suggests going all out with colorful and eye-catching nail designs, just like the dress itself. Add a multicolor finish for the full effect and let your nails stand out with this bold and playful style. Sheer Blush Summer Nails. For those seeking a more delicate and refined nail trend, look no further than sheer blush summer nails. This feminine and subtle look is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your summer style. Embrace the simplicity of sheer nail polish in blush tones, and let your nails exude sophistication. Strawberry Glazed Donut Nails. Last but not least, we have the deliciously glamorous strawberry glazed donut nails. This popular trend, sported by the likes of Hailey Bieber, mimics the smooth glaze on top of a donut, creating a shiny and irresistible effect. Treat yourself to a sweet and stylish manicure that is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share the video and subscribe our channel, Life in Short, for more amazing videos.